Nice little rainbow. Yeah, look at that. Oh, that's a king salmon. Oh, look at that. Now that's what's up. Hey, what's up, everybody? I am back at the lake. Haven't been out here for a while because I was actually helping one of my kids move to Spokane, Washington. I was pulling the trailer to move her stuff. So I was busy doing that, and work was kind of busy as well. So it's a beautiful day. The sun just came up about, I don't know, 30 minutes ago early. I'm the first one on the boat ramp. I didn't see any trucks in the parking lot, so it's always good to start out early. But anyway, I make these videos so that I can keep in touch with my kids and let them know what their old man's doing. So it's a good opportunity for me to give a little shout out to Chris in Boston, Liz in New York, Rachel in Spokane, and soon to be in Vancouver, Jeff. Hope you guys are doing well. I'm gonna see if I can catch some fish today. Let me set up, launch my boat, and I'll see you guys on the water. Hopefully I catch some fish. All right, see you in a bit. There's fish on. Yep, fish on, baby. Finally. Yeah. There we go. There we go. First fish. It's a strong one. That's what we got. Find me. I gotta keep this boat straight. It's been a little choppy and windy. Fish on, baby. Strong. Oh. Realize he's been hooked. Oh, look at that. He's going. Persevere, guys. Persevere. Here he comes. Persevere. Alright. Let's see what we got here, folks. Oh, that's a big fish. What is it? Looks like a bass. Ooh, yeah. It's a bass. Oh, look at the size of this bass. Wow. Woo. It's fighting me. Oh, it's a big bass. Summertime fishing. big old bass. Let's show you the fish. Get them out of here. That's a big bass. Oh man, huge. Wow. Large mouth. Here he goes. There you go, bud. All right. Oh man, that was a big fish. Summertime. Guess I was going a little too slow. But this wind was slowing me down. That was a big bass. That was kind of fun. Whew. That may be one of the bigger bass that I've caught ever here at Folsom Lake. I'm telling you guys, there's some big fish out here. I gotta pick up my speed a little bit. That was a whopper. Oh, another fish. Fish on. Wow. All right. Another fish. Hope it's not another bass. This one feels like a trout. Maybe not, but we'll see. Summertime is kind of tough to catch a trout, but plenty of bass around here. Oh, I think it's a trout. I think it's a trout. Maybe a trout. Yeah. All right. Woo. I think that was a trout, guys. Yeah. There it goes. My little needlefish. There you go. Nice little rainbow. Nice. Caught us a trout, baby. Oh, fish on. Oh yeah, oh my God. Oh my goodness, that was a violent hit. That's a big fish. Oh boy. Oh, it might have popped off. It might have popped off. Man, that was hard. Oh my goodness. Oh. Well, let's see if we can go back for him.